So I've made it to Queenstown and look who's here.
Hello.
And we're starting the week off by making dinner. And what are we having tonight? Chef Emma?
We're having disaster.
No, I'm not.
Well, we got a fjordland crayfish that we may have butchered because we've never cooked crayfish.
Yes. And we're having it with corn on the cob and asparagus.
Poor little Shelley.
Yeah. We don't really know how long to leave them in there for, but it's okay. Like Chef Pete Evans and Minu would not be impressed, but that's okay. We're gonna try the lobster slash crayfish, whatever you want to call it. Cheers. Oh! Cheers! Oh my god. That's nice.
I feel like we overcooked it.
I'd rather it be over than under. Emma, you did a good job with that. You don't like it?
I think it's very, like, salt, like,
Seafoody? I feel like that's enough meat.
Same. But we did it. We have food poisoning tomorrow. This is why.
I mean, we shouldn't because you cooked it twice. I think it'll be okay. I actually quite like that.
Yeah?
It's a good result from me. Emma's
My
unsure.
I think.
So it's the next day. Emma's in town working, so I'm going to catch the bus in and go meet her for some lunch. And I don't know what's going to happen. Bye. Emma. We're on our way to Arrowtown and it's a beautiful day. Question for today. Middle of summer or middle of winter?
I wrote summer.
I wrote winter. Woo! Oh my god, it's wobbling. It's wobbling. Is yours nice, Emma?
It's fantastic.
Delish. What did you get? Blueberry. Yummy. We've just come out for some lunch to Teflon Grill, Frankston, and basically it's where they cook your food in front of you. Very good. Yeah, let's go. Very good food. Thank you for bringing me, Emma.
Highly recommend if you're in Queenstown.
Yeah.
Go to Haraki.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go look around the shops, aren't we?
I need some Japanese lemonade.
Oh, yum. This is so good. So we just got back from Kim's Asian market. Emma, what did you buy?
We got some Choco Boys.
What are those?
It's like a bread
Oh, it's biscuit.
biscuity thing with some chocolate.
Yummy.
We got some peach chicken treats because I've never tried them. So we decided to try these ones. We've got some Japanese lemonade.
Cheers.
Very good.
This is really good.
And then Hannah has never had steamed buns.
But I had them the other day when we had them in Queenstown.
I love steamed buns. This is my barbecue pork buns. They're so cheap here.
We had duck buns in Wild and Time the other day. They were nice.
Yeah, duck buns. She's not had a proper barbecue pork bun.
But I will now. So where are we off to now?
We're off to find advent calendars because we're lame.
We're not lame. We're festive.
We're extra. Extra AF.
Decisions.
I want both, but I don't want to pay $40.
Decision made.
I'm honestly, do I regret this? Do
No.
I regret this?
Don't regret it. It's the best advent calendar you could ever have.
$25, guys.
But you got it for 20, so it's okay.
This is on sale. But you should be smart. And
Why is it zooming in? Oh my god, my hand was on the zoomer.
buy an $8 pack and then make your own advent calendar.
No,
Save yourself
this is
some
more
money.
magic. You don't get 24 in a pack.
Look, they got the strawberry and cream.
Oh yeah.
I don't even like coconut. I'm gonna get ones I don't even. They do milk and white chocolate.
Since when?
I don't know.
I'll tell you since when. Since the Christmas advent calendar. I want one. I'll have to get it when I go back to
I think
Canada.
everyone should say Hannah should get one.
Absolutely. Like, you can't just throw it. That cost $25. Okay. Water divvy. So we come home because it's miserable outside. Put our jammies on, having a glass of wine. Cheers, Emma.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock. Actually 1:30, but that's okay. Frying up some bacon and some halloumi cheese.
Oh my gosh.
Our day's quite back to front, but that's okay. That's good. And Emma set the smoke alarm off. Just kidding, it was probably me. But now we're gonna watch the Rocky Horror